Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. In today's episode, I'm going to explain the solo of Screaming in Silence from the latest episode. So, show reel. Before I start today, welcome back to another episode. I'm tuned in D, so if you want to play along, this is the tuning. Let's go! That's lick number 1. Then we go to lick number 2. So far we have this. So I'm going to explain a little bit the second lick because it involves a couple things. It has a scale. And then we have that lick. So we can divide it in two. We have this scale. And then we go to the lick. One more time, the lick. So if we play that in, up to speed, we'll be like. Now we're going to the third part of this solo. And involves economy picking. It will be like this. And we play that lick twice. And in the final bend, we use something that it's called tension and release. And that's when we get to the fourth part of this solo, and we do this descending scale. One more time, and it starts on fret number 21. It's involved alternate picking there. Then we go to the fifth part of the solo, the fifth section, where we do a modulation. We change from F sharp to E minor. And then we have the lick. So I'm going to repeat that because it's the same pattern as the other one, but in a different key, and has a variation. So we do. So the variation is that you do this. Then we have a melodic part. We can say that. It's not that melodic, but still. And then the sixth part of this solo, that it's similar to what we did in F sharp, but it's in E minor here. So it's similar what we did before in F sharp, but here we're doing it in E minor. And then we go back to so I'm gonna put all the parts together so you can see what's happening. And that's how you play it. I have to say that this solo was just something that happened in the moment. It was improvised 100%, so that's why it's like more licked based than anything else that I do. Sometimes that is more refreshing. Other times it's better to, construct or develop something more melodic. And of course, it depends on what you're doing, what kind of music you're playing, what kind of song it is. So at the time when I did this, it required something very, with a lot of excitement and speed. That's why it's the way it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode today, and you're more than welcome to message me if you want private lessons one-on-one with me. And don't forget to leave your comments down below, and see you in another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. Show real.